We do have them all across Southern California. I do want to show you how the winds are going to play out today really quickly. Most of the peak winds are happening here this morning. As that sun rises, we start to mix our atmosphere around, and that produces a little bit stronger winds. And right now, it looks like those winds are probably going to stay pretty high right through the early afternoon, and then they taper off. And then by this evening, we expire with the red flag warnings and the high wind warnings across Southern California. I wanted to show you this shot. This is a camera over in Running Springs. You're looking down into Riverside, and you can see it's bouncing around all over the place. Some of the winds in this area closing in on about 40 miles per hour, not quite there. Again, those are the wind gusts. The sustained winds are about 12 miles per hour through the region, and it really just depends on where that meter is. It's not near that camera either. But we are going to get right back to some very gusty conditions on your Monday. We have another round on your Wednesday, and I think Wednesday's Santa Ana event is going to be stronger than the one that we're dealing with today. This one we'll call moderate. The next one we'll call strong. It's 27-mile-per-hour winds over into the Santa Clarita Valley. You'll notice, though, as we get into your later evening hours, about 6 o'clock, the wind's back way off. So this isn't going to be a long, protracted red flag warning event. The next round, though, quite a bit longer of a stretch. We are looking at some very strong winds rolling through our region, getting widespread. So you're looking at a larger area dealing with red flag warning conditions, or at least high wind warning conditions. 45-mile-per-hour winds on your Wednesday for Riverside, Santa Ana 41, and that's heading right out to some of our beach communities. So Newport Beach, you might be in there too, along with Seal Beach, Huntington. Then you head out to Malibu and Ventura County beach communities, also dealing with some very strong gusty winds by Wednesday. This lasts quite a few hours, at least all the way into Thursday before we'll see that expire. Now today, again, most of the winds are expiring right around 6 o'clock. The next round of fire danger returns again Wednesday, and you can see already a big area dealing with a fire weather watch, and some of these areas are going to likely see that turn into a red flag warning by tomorrow. So I'll keep you updated. I don't like to see this morning. Already seeing 28% relative humidity in Santa Clarita. It's already about 23 in Van Nuys and Woodland Hills. We know that by this afternoon, these humidity levels are going to plummet down to the teens and even about 10% very possible. So when we talk about dry and windy conditions in Southern California, I mean, that really does put the risk high in terms of getting in some fire danger and rapid fire growth. Why is this happening? We have an area of high pressure off to the west. We have an area of low pressure, very cold and dry air mass to the east of us, moving down to the Rockies. That Canadian air, along with this nice warmer air mass, are colliding right over California. That's producing an opportunity for our atmosphere to try to balance out, and the only way it knows how to do so is with the wind. So we have northerly winds coming down, and it looks like these tightening isobars will finally loosen up a little bit by the time we're heading into your Thursday afternoon. Now here's that 7-day outlook powered by AccuWeather for Los Angeles and Inland Orange County. Red flag warning conditions today, again on your Wednesday. We'll keep those 70s rolling through at least your weekend. So again, we're going to keep it nice and mild for the next few days. 73 for our valleys in our Inland Empire. We'll bring it down to 70 on Wednesday and Thursday. And then we head along for the beaches, and it's going to be about 71. 60s are back for the coastline, and we still have some cool nights ahead. Heading out the door for areas closer to the mountains, about 49, and it looks like those teens overnight in the mountains, and finally the high desert communities, 68 degrees. Scott?
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel, and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.